Oh, baby, that's hot.
We're gonna make a meal on the engine block of our 68 Camaro, and then he and I are gonna have lunch somewhere, wherever it's done cooking. Welcome to the kitchen in the Classic Car Club. Chef Jesse Ford. I got a copy of Manifold Destiny, a classic automotive title. It's a cookbook on how to cook meals on the engine of your car. I challenged Jesse to class it up, Car Club style.
What we're doing is fish and tapioca. We do that with some asparagus, vine ripe tomatoes, a little bit of fennel, sea beans, grate a little bit of fresh horseradish, some thyme and basil.
You're cooking on an engine. What kind of limitations does that give?
We've given this some thought. We're working with a pretty high-end vehicle out there that we don't want to
Stink up?
Looking through that cookbook, I saw some whole fish recipes that call for like an hour and 45-minute drives. We're looking to do something kind of quick because we're going to try to cook this fish at about 145 degrees, enveloped in parchment paper. And we're going to wrap that parchment paper in aluminum foil, lightly steam it. Take our first piece. Do a little bit of horseradish, grate it over. A little butter. Just a little bit of thyme.
What's the official chef suggestion for kitchen footwear?
Air Max. That master cylinder that we're looking at as our flat surface is 113 degrees.
What temperature do we want to cook this at?
145 degrees would be ideal.
We're overachieving with this Camaro.
I believe so. We're gonna try to keep it in a spot where it's actually gonna not get too hot. So theoretically, this radiator should not go above 220 degrees. That would be nice. We gotta make sure that when we close our lid, that we don't just... Big spot. If you can like... I feel like I can smell the basil.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. We're operating at 210 right now. Driving for about 15. A little bit of heavy traffic with some movement. Check it out. Hot. I don't know. I mean, it feels pretty hot. I wouldn't say. That's at 110. Do you want to put it maybe down here?
Yeah.
Like, maybe overestimated the temperature that this thing is going to be putting out. We're looking like it's around 250 inside the engine bay, which is good. We're basically like just like slow and low. Oh, baby, that's hot. Definitely smells great.
Triumph. Cooked in a Camaro.
Cooked in a Camaro. A little 97 octane in there.
I taste a little bit of South of France, to be honest with you. It's very good. Honestly, it actually really is delicious.
It's all
Pretty happy with it.
Cooked perfectly. So what did we learn? It's actually got to be on the exhaust manifold. If you did it on the barbecue, you'd have like a charred spot, you'd have a dry spot, you'd have, this is all like totally consistent. So
Yeah, I mean, I feel like
help the juices really well.
yeah, it's cooked. I mean, the asparagus is perfect.
Well done, chef.
Maybe if I would have added a little more broth to it, a little more wine, maybe a little more butter. Cheers.
Thank you.
Water.
I think we should make it a special at the restaurant.
Absolutely. This is a perfect summer dish.
It's very good.
Excellent.